Korty was Korty. I said Korty was Korty. Korty is the brand. Korty is all you need. Korty is a brand. Korty is one solution. One solution you all need. Korty is what everybody, me, you, we all need Korty. Okay, let me say this. Korty is a YouTuber that has grown organically with a great content on a channel. As an entrepreneur, she has touched so many areas successfully with no regret, zero regret. She is someone that has added value to every industry she has touched. She is a person with a great personality, very calm, very relative, very accommodating, very intelligent. I had to have that. How did I feel when I met or when I saw Korty for the first time? When I sighted her from afar, I said, Korty! I didn't even know where that came from. I was extremely happy that she should be there. I actually went for YouTube African Month, and I was extremely expecting a lot of people, a lot of great YouTubers that I respected. If I start mentioning names, there are so many great YouTubers right here in Nigeria that I respected. Some flew from Abuja, some came from Port Harcourt, some played for Warri, some came from Kano, some came from every part of the country, different states. People flew to attend 3-day program organized by YouTube African Month, and I'm very grateful for YouTube for putting this together for creators, and it was a lovely experience because I met a lot of people that I look up to. I had met a lot of people that influenced me to YouTube. I had opportunity to, explore more, to learn more, to engage more, to networking more, and to acquire knowledge about what I do. But at the end of the day, I decided to say, listen, man, whatever you learn, whatever you think you like doing, no matter what you think you can do better, there are great people on this field already. The only difference you can make is to be you. Yes, you want to be like Korty, be you. You want to be like every other great YouTuber, just be you. But let them know you admire them so much, you appreciate them, and let them know that they need to continue to keep going, doing good job. Because if they stop giving good job, there is nothing you will see as challenge. It's good when great people are doing great. That push you up to think outside the box and see how you can tap from what they have done. If it's possible to do new fashion of that, if possible to take one or two things and mix it. Like somebody said, there is nothing new you are going to do. You can only modify what has been done. There's a lot of thinking, thoughts, different ideas from different people across the board. Everybody is gifted differently. For today is a special video to express my feeling when I had the opportunity to meet with my female favorite YouTuber, content creator, influencer, all in one solution provider. Korty, it's a privilege to meet you. You're doing great. And I want to say, I so much admire your creativity, your intelligence, everything that made you who you are. You just need to keep it up. And, if I say you need to upgrade, that's understatement. You are on top of the world already. After I met with you, I went through your page. There are so many things that I've been seeing before I met you. And after I met you, I went back. I took 2 days. 2 days was not enough. I added another 2 days. After that, I had another 2 days. I kept researching, I kept watching, I kept listening. I watched everything. But what I'm here to say is that whatever it is that you do, like I told you, people have so much respect for you. And I want you to know that. Please don't relent. Always keep the good work going. Somebody like me, I saw what I liked on your video. That's why I decided to say, I think I need to make sure I keep watching this person. And with zero regrets, here I am having the opportunity to meet with you one on one. And to my, I wasn't surprised, but to my greatest surprise, you gave me more than what I expected. That's why I say you are very accommodating, you're very friendly, you are number one go to person any day, anytime. And I want to say for people, you have so many followers, so many subscribers, but for those that have not been on your list, your subscriber base, I want to say this to them. Please, you need to come on. Come on right now. Go to Korty and subscribe and make sure you follow her on Instagram and back to back. You will be entertained, you will be educated, you will be given an award, peace award for following the right person. That's what I want to say. I don't want to say too much. There's so many things I had to say about this, but if I continue, I will never stop because the experience she had in this industry is beyond what I can say in 365 days. That is what I know. You don't have time to be listening to me for 365 days without adding value. That's why I want to make it short so that you can quickly grab and quickly, you know, put into practice whatever you think you have gained. I don't need to take too much time. I just wanted to know meeting Korty was a great experience, and I wish everybody should try to know her more than you do. She's a very, very, very good person. Very, very good. You know, I'm having very, very. She passed all the exam, and I would say the Korty you see on your screen is the same Korty. The Korty you see face to face is the same Korty with extra hidden talent that you have never seen and you may not see now. Even 50, 60 years to this time, you may not see it now until you keep going with her before you realize that you have somebody that got your back. Korty got your back. Anytime, any day, she got your back. She will always motivate you. She will always encourage you. She will always do you humanity right. She will always make sure whenever she's putting anything out, that thing must be valuable to anyone who come across the content. That's what she does. That's why I love her so much. That is that thing I respected about her. She goes very, 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 very prepared to make sure whatever she's putting out is up to standard. She always deliver with a great team around with right thinking people. I think there is no much I need to say about this person called Korty to you than to you join a subscriber base. Make sure you follow Bomba to Bomba on Instagram, on YouTube, wherever platform you can find this lady. Please, she needs you. You need her. She's ready to add value to your life. On that note, I want to say to everybody, you have given us so much tremendous support, and I will appreciate every one of you to do the same. I need to grow just as you have supported her. Support your boy right here. I want to say it's love. We can make a difference. As you all know, we are the one We are the children. We are the one that make the bright day just for you and I. Let's do it. Have a nice day, everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm with Mr. Dimeji right now. We are at YouTube Africa Month. I just had a panel and Mr. Dimeji wants me to say a thing or two to creators and how to keep going. You just gotta keep going, man. You gotta keep walking. You know, when you're tired, you rest, you continue again, you know, and you have to go with God. If not, you go in the wrong direction, you know. If you go with yourself, you go nowhere. But if you go with God, you're headed to the right direction. So yeah, man, do your work. Stay focused. Don't be too distracted by all these things, all this noise everywhere. Just do your work, stay focused, and
I want you to tell a lot of people that love you that please that you continue to love them back and you continue to give them the best. You are doing great.
thank you. Mr. Dimeji wants me to say to you that loves me that I love you too. And that's because I love you too. And I'll continue to do so much more for you, you know, because I know you love it. I love it too sometimes. So I'll continue doing the Lord's work, doing the work that you want me to keep doing. May you never lack. I will never lack. We'll all enjoy life. Tell Mr. Dimeji you love him too. Bye.
Thank you, I appreciate that. I appreciate that so much. Help me out.
Hey, I see the back for my body, I see the hot. Them they pray make a die, make a buy, make a stop. I want me to look at fella do my way, help the boy. Baba me thank you. They pour water for grand for me, make a sleep, make a fall. Why I go for? Kashati my woe, kashati my road, dada. Kashati my woe, kashati my road, bushy mada.